If you're over 60 and use turmeric every day, you might be doing something that makes it completely useless. You could be eating the right spice, but pairing it with the wrong foods that quietly block turmeric's healing power. Imagine this. You drink your warm golden milk at night, feeling health, but instead of fighting pain and stiffness, your body simply flushes the turmeric out and wasted. In the next few minutes, you'll learn why this happens and how to fix it with just a few small changes. So turmeric can actually work like real medicine inside your body. After 60, our body naturally builds up inflammation, the slow, silent kind that causes joint pain, fatigue, poor memory, and slower healing. Turmeric is nature's best defense. Its key compound, curcumin, is one of the strongest anti-inflammatory known. But here's the problem: your body absorbs less than 5% of curcumin on its own. And if you mix turmeric with certain foods, that number can drop even lower. So, let's uncover the 3 common food mistakes that stop turmeric from working and the simple fixes that make it powerful again. Mistake number 1: combining turmeric with processed dairy products. Most people love golden milk or turmeric lattes made with store-bought milk or creamers. But here's the catch. Casein, the main protein in milk, actually binds with curcumin, blocking its absorption in your gut. And after 60, your body produces less lactase, the enzyme that digests dairy, so milk-based turmeric drinks can cause bloating, gas, and poor absorption. Fix: use plant-based milk instead, like coconut, almond, or oat milk. They're gentle on digestion and allow curcumin to enter your bloodstream easily. You can make a simple healing drink with *1/2 teaspoon turmeric, *a pinch of black pepper, *1 cup warm coconut milk, *a little honey for taste. This single drink can ease stiffness and help circulation if taken daily. Mistake number 2: pairing turmeric with vinegar or acidic foods. Maybe you add turmeric to salad dressings, pickles, or ketchup, but acidity breaks down curcumin, destroying it before your body can absorb it. It's even worse for people who already deal with acid reflux or heartburn, because turmeric combined with acid can trigger more irritation. Fix: avoid vinegar-heavy meals with turmeric. If you love salads, make a turmeric-friendly version. Mix olive oil, lemon juice, turmeric, and black pepper. The healthy fat in olive oil helps curcumin absorb better, while black pepper boosts it by up to 2,000%. So always add a pinch. Mistake number 3: mixing turmeric with sugar. Some people add it to sweet teas, cakes, or breakfast cereals. But sugar increases inflammation, the exact problem turmeric is supposed to fix. High sugar levels also block curcumin from entering cells, making it nearly useless for healing. Fix: pair turmeric with fiber-rich or natural foods like oatmeal, banana smoothies, or whole grain dishes. Here's a great combo. Cook oatmeal with a little turmeric. Add sliced banana, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. It keeps blood sugar steady and helps your joints stay flexible. So what's the best way to take turmeric after 60? Experts recommend this simple formula. *1/2 teaspoon turmeric, *a pinch of black pepper, *1 teaspoon of healthy fat like olive oil or ghee. You can mix it in tea, soups, or warm milk. Black pepper and healthy fats work together to help your body absorb curcumin properly. And remember, take turmeric after meals, not on an empty stomach. It's easier to digest and safer for sensitive seniors. Here's one more secret most people miss. The time you take turmeric matters too. Morning turmeric helps boost energy and reduce stiffness. Evening turmeric helps calm the body and support better sleep. Whichever you choose, stay consistent, because turmeric's real power builds slowly with daily use, not just once in a while. Think of it as a gentle medicine, not a quick fix. So let's quickly recap. Avoid processed dairy, switch to plant milk. Avoid acidic foods, use olive oil and lemon instead. Avoid sugar, choose fruits or oats. Always add black pepper and healthy fat. Take it after meals and stay consistent. Follow these small steps, and turmeric can truly help you stay stronger, sharper, and pain-free even after 60. If this video helped you, please subscribe, tap the bell icon, and share it with a friend who loves natural healing. Stay golden, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.